Hey, Sarah. How's it going?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, just tired from the week. You?
Same here, it's been a long one. Got any plans for the weekend?
I'm thinking of going to the park tomorrow. Maybe check out that new cafe. Want to join?
That sounds awesome. I've been meaning to try that place.
Great. It's supposed to have amazing pastries. You a fan of sweets?
Oh, definitely. Pastries are my weakness. I'm in.
Perfect. I'm all about good coffee and pastries. What's been keeping you busy?
Work, mostly. We're launching a new product. It's a lot of prep.
Wow, sounds intense. How's it going?
It's going well, just hectic. Lots of brainstorming. What about you? Any exciting work stuff?
I've got a big project. It's challenging but interesting. Keeps me on my toes.
That's great. How do you manage to stay focused with all that going on?
I take regular breaks. Step away from the desk, chat with friends. Helps clear my head.
That's smart. I should do that more. I tend to get stuck in my work sometimes.
Yeah, taking a moment can really help. Keeps things from feeling overwhelming.
I've started taking short walks when I get stuck. Clears my mind a lot.
I like that idea. Walking always helps me think better too.
For sure. Sometimes a little movement is all you need to reset.
Definitely. So, speaking of resets, have you seen that new movie, The Horizon?
I've heard about it. Is it really as good as everyone says?
Oh, it's amazing. The plot twists are crazy and the visuals are stunning.
Now you've got me excited. I definitely need to see it this weekend.
You should. It's definitely worth it. I think you'll love it.
I'm thinking of going Saturday night. Maybe we can catch it together?
I'd love that. It's been a while since we did something fun like that.
Yeah, I've missed hanging out. Coffee, pastries, and a movie sounds like the perfect evening.
I agree. It's going to be so much fun. What time do you want to meet?
How about 3 p.m.? We can grab coffee first, then the movie.
Sounds good to me. I'll see you at 3. Can't wait.
Me neither. It'll be a great time. Oh, by the way, have you started thinking about Christmas gifts yet?
I've started. I'm thinking of getting a cozy sweater or maybe some blankets. What about you?
I'm hoping for a good book. Something to read during winter. I love getting lost in a good story.
A book is always a great gift. Do you have a specific one in mind?
Not yet, but I'm thinking about something in the mystery or sci-fi genre.
Nice. That sounds perfect for cozying up during winter. I'm sure you'll find something great.
I hope so. I love diving into a new world through a book.
Yeah. There's nothing like the escape a good book provides. I'm excited to get some cozy stuff.
Cozy stuff is always a win. Perfect for cold winter days.
Absolutely. So, after the movie, are you free to hang out for a bit?
Definitely. We could grab a late dinner or just walk around if the weather's nice.
I like that idea. A nice walk would be perfect after the movie.
It's a plan then. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow.
Me too. It'll be a fun Saturday. Let's make the most of it.
For sure. I'll see you at 3 then. Can't wait for coffee, pastries, and the movie.
Same here. See you tomorrow, Tom.
Take care, Sarah.